Hey traders, I'm coming at you guys from the office today. Um, Nice session today and yesterday. I was pretty happy with. Um, I like working on those trading goals with you guys. I like getting through. That's the stuff that's really going to make you grow as a trader when you start to not only become aware of what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong, but you got to really work on just getting rid of those bad trading habits. So I'm just going to go through today. I'm going to be trying to shoot some more video. I try to shoot a video today over here for the website, just on some marketing stuff, and it didn't go very well. But we're still having some troubles getting the computer connected, and anyway, I'll get it figured out for you guys. But look, today, let me just switch over to the chart here real quick. Pretty good trading day. I came in a little bit long yesterday. For those of you guys that missed it, this is basically what we did. Here, let me move this down. But I came in a little bit long Euro New Zealand dollar. All right, just because based on yesterday, you got this little pullback, but this has been in a strong uptrend. All right, so came in a little bit long that I bought late in the day, and then this is pretty simple, guys. You don't need to overcomplicate things. When you have the uptrend, right? You can see by the wave formation, the bands. We're in this uptrend. You're just literally coming in here, guys, and just picking off these 15-minute cycles. There's lots of day trading opportunities here. So whether you were trading London or in the US session, but we came in and just said, all right, you have a 15-minute down cycle here, and then again at 8 o'clock when we came in. So there was an opportunity to buy here into this dip. You got a little bit of a rally. I mean, this pair really didn't go anywhere, but that's essentially one of the trades we had. Came in long, took some off into the highs here, back into this resistance. You could also see that the cycle was high then, and it's a similar look on the 30-minute. All right, but the point I want to drill home here is that anytime you get these dips, guys, when you're in trend, you're just literally stalking the 15-minute cycle. All right, and like we talked about today in the room, look, guys, if you're buying into this dip, you pretty much know where you're going to be wrong on the 15-minute cycle. All right, once the bands break here, you're going to be in a new downtrend, a near-term downtrend. So my attitude is always, look, I'm going to buy into the pullback. If this low breaks, no big deal, because there's opportunity here on the short side. If this breaks, all right, and this starts to look red here, let me get the what am I trying to do? If we start to see red like this, all right, and we start to break down here, most likely, guys, on the 1 minute or the 5 minute, you're going to get a contrarian bounce that you can short into. So if that were to break like that and you start to get red on the 15-minute, there's going to be these ebb and flows on the 1 minute that you can sell into more aggressively. And it's that after this first break, it's the first pullback that you really want to kind of get after and be more aggressive on. And then a lot of times you'll get your follow through. All right, so guys, if you think about it in the model, we know that when we break the TMS, we tend to get the move to what? 200 or to pi. So there should be no fear when you're buying you're buying with the trend, with the cycle, whether you're starting to scale in small before the cycle's crossed. But as soon as that cycle crosses right here, boom, we want to be in. All right, that was Euro Kiwi. And if we look here just at the euro, go to a bigger screen. All right, nice near-term downtrend today. This is all we did on the euro. I mean, it would have been a good session in London. How we've been up for it. All right, you guys see here. This really started to break down. Right in here. Right. So again, this is the 15-minute chart. This is basically the reverse of what I just said. If and when you break the bands, no big deal. We're going to turn around and look for an opportunity to short. So the market breaks down here. Here you got a rally. Could have sold into that. You get a nice move lower. There's plenty of opportunity there if you buy this dip. The cycle crosses. Actually, the cycle didn't even really cross until here. So that may have kept you out of a long. But either way, if you're long, the bands break, you stop, flip and go short. Plenty of, you're only risking this much. Plenty of opportunity here on the short side. All right, and we came in today around 8 o'clock. The market was moving sideways, and it was real simple. We just said, all right, guys, let's lean short. We'll look to add. Our risk is right above this high. The reason I wanted to be short because the trend was down. The direction of your 8 is showing you the trend. Right? And then it's just about using our cycles to time it up right. And once this kind of crossed here, you got a little bit of a follow through. This was a nice bounce here. 15-minute cycle crossed. You had to sit through this 15-minute up cycle that we talked about in the room. We then moved to a TMS pivot to right here, this location. You never violated it. Swing line sell setup right there. You get the move into pi. Pretty textbook, guys, in the model. All right. So anyhow, regular session again tomorrow in New York, and then we'll try to do London on Friday. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of your evening.